Cycle governs all existence, from the vast movements of the cosmos to the stubble rhythms of our soul. These sacred patterns of creations, destruction, and rebirth offer profound opportunities for spiritual growth and awakening. However, humanity's disconnection from these rhythms through suppression of ancient wisdom and the distortion of history has kept us trapped in ignorance and spiritual stagnation. By understanding and aligning with these cycles, we can liberate ourselves from the illusion and reconnect with our divine essence. In Eastern spirituality, samsara, the cycle of birth, death, and rebirth, represents the repetitive nature of existence. It is often viewed as a cycle of suffering, perpetuated by ignorance and attachment. But within the cycle lies the key to liberation. By awakening to our true nature, we can transcend the wheels of samsara and align with higher cosmic rhythm. In Kabbalistic traditions, the soul ascends and descends through the sephiras, or of the tree of life, mirroring the cycles of samsara. Each incarnation is a step on the soul's journey, offering opportunities for growth, wisdom, and the ultimate reunion with the divine. The cycles of samsara are mirrored in the grander cosmic rhythm, such as the yogas described in Hindu cosmology. These ages dictate the rise and fall of spiritual consciousness across millennia. For example, the Golden Age, which is Satya Yuga, is a time of enlightenment and unity, where humanity lives in harmony with cosmic law. The divine feminine is fully honored, and cycles are embraced as sacred. This age reflects humanity's liberation from samsara, where souls collectively transcend suffering and align with the divine. Then you have the Kali Yuga, which is the age of darkness. This is the age of materialism, spiritual ignorance, and disconnection from natural rhythms. This is the current age where humanity is trapped in a collective samsara, repeating cycles of suffering and separation. Yet, the Kali Yuga offers a unique opportunity. Through the darkness, we are forced to see the light. It is the pressure of this age that can initiate profound awakening. As the Kali Yuga ends, cosmic cycles prepare for rebirth. This transition is both an opportunity and a challenge, requiring humanity to awaken and realign with divine rhythm. Central to humanity's disconnection from cycles is the deliberate suppression of the divine feminine, the forces that bring balance and nurtures spiritual awakening. This suppression has been a tool of control, distorting the natural harmony between masculine and feminine energies. In many religious and societal systems, the masculine is glorified as the primary source of power, strength, and authority. This imbalance obscures the complementary and equally vital role of the feminine. The glorification of the masculine reflects a fear of the resurrection of the divine feminine, whose reemergence challenges the enriched system of control. The feminine, often associated with intuition, creativity, and nurturing, has been demonized in religion and cultural narratives. Feminine archetypes were redefined as dangerous, chaotic, or weak, creating a rift in the divine balance. The demonization of the feminine serves to disconnect humanity from gnosis, as the divine feminine is the gateway to intuition, higher wisdom, and the deeper mysteries of existence. The suppression of the divine feminine and the overemphasis of the masculine has disrupted the natural equilibrium of creation. This imbalance creates humanity trapped in cycles of suffering and separation, unable to transcend samsara or aligned with higher consciousness. True liberation requires the resurrection of the feminine and the restoration of balance between masculine and feminine energies. Only then can humanity reconnect with the rhythms of creation and awaken to the divine potential. So let's talk about reconnecting with the cycles to transcend samsara. So first, we must align with nature's rhythm. So by honoring the cycles of the moon, the seasons, and even our own body, these rhythms mirror larger cosmic patterns, offering a gateway to spiritual alignment, as within, as without. 2 is Kabbalistic practices. Study the tree of life to understand your soul's journey through these cycles. Use these teachings as a map to navigate challenges and ascend toward divine unity. 3. Try to awaken gnosis. Seek direct spiritual knowledge through intuition, dreams, and esoteric practices. Gnosis is a key to breaking free from delusion and understanding your place in the cosmic cycle. And number 4, restore balance. Reclaim the divine feminine within yourself and the world. This is not about diminishing the masculine, but restoring the harmony between what has been lost. Embrace both energies as essential aspects of creation. We are at a pivotal moment in cosmic history, the end of a cycle. Whether seen through the lens of samsara, the yogas, or Kabbalistic wisdom, the time for transformation is now. Religions and societal system have long prepared for this transition, working to maintain control and suppress awakening. But the wisdom of the cycles persists, hidden in nature, ancient wisdom, and the whispers of the divine feminine. To awaken is to remember, to realign with the rhythm of creations, and to transcend the repetitive suffering of samsara. By honoring cosmic cycles, reclaiming esoteric wisdom, and restoring the divine balance, humanity can rise from the darkness of the Kali Yuga and into the light of the new golden age. This is Makalasi. Thanks for listening. Peace.